Hello everyone. As you know that I'm doing science and technology and biodiversity previous year questions, which is from civil services examinations. I have started from the year 1979. Today we are going to see the questions of 1981. So there will be total 3 parts for this year. So this is the part 1. Okay. This is about myself. So let's see this year questions. Okay. So the first question for 1981 is that put the following mass communication media in the sequence which they came to India. Okay, like we have to tell like which one came first and which one came last. So radio, television, film, printing. Okay, we'll see that. See, the first came printing. Okay, after that film, then radio, and then television. Okay, so as per this the answer will be D. Next question. Okay, so next question says there are mice in the field which act as prey to the snake. Hawk eat the snakes. Okay, some dogs are brought into the field. What will be its effect? Okay, mic will increase, hawk will increase, hawk will decrease, snake will increase, mic and snakes will decrease. So what happened in this case, even if you are putting some dog in the field, the mic and snakes will decrease. Okay, it's kind of food chain. Okay, I think it's going to related to the dog. Fine. So snake will eat mic and hawk will eat the snake. So obviously both the population will decrease. Okay, so the answer is D. Next, when an astronaut in the spacecraft the sky color appears to be, okay, जब भी कोई spacecraft astronaut spacecraft में होता है तो उसको sky कैसा दिखाई देता है? Blue, white, black, orange. So this will actually look like black. Okay, so हम नीचे से जब देखते हैं तो it look like blue. Okay. But actually if you go in spacecraft, then the sky color will look like black. So the answer is C. Next, what are the primary colors? Blue, green, yellow, yellow, red, blue, green, green, white, black. See, the primary colors are nothing but it's a red, blue and green. So the answer will be C in this case. Next question. If water contract on freezing, which of the following would happen? Iceberg will completely float on the surface of water, or ice would become more dense, lakes would freeze from top to bottom. Okay, rocks will crack due to the freezing or internal water. See what happened in this case. If water contract on freezing, the ice would become more dense. Okay, so the answer will be D. Next question. When the ice floating in a glass of water melt, the level of water will increase, decrease, remains constant. First increase and then decrease. See, in this case, when the ice floating in a glass of water, the level of water, see, actually this will remain constant. What happened here, actually this ice, when it is flowing in the glass of water, so it occupies some, some volume of the water. So what happens when it will start melting? So that volume, the volume which is covered by the ice, so that space it will that volume will occupied by the melted water. So what happened, finally the water level is not going to change, it will be remain constant. Okay, so the answer is C. Next question, when a person moves from from pole to equator, the population of plant and animals will increase, decrease, remain unchanged, not so any consistent behavior. So here, when a person moves from pole to equator, the population of plant and animal will increase. Okay, so the answer is A. Next question, what is the function of fuse wire? To prevent unduly high electric current passing through a circuit, to increase the current supply, to decrease the current supply, to stabilize the voltage. See, the fuse wire function क्या होता है? This is actually prevent, if there is high current is flowing into the wire, so it first flow to this wire. So what happens? This will fuse. So it will actually protect, the whole thing, like in the house, like whatever appliance we have, fans, TV, fridge, this all thing will protect with this. First this will fuse. If you are not putting this fuse wire, then those things will fuse. Okay, if high current will pass. So that's why to prevent the unduly high electric current from passing through a circuit. Okay, so the answer is A. Next question, why it's advisable not to draw current from many appliances from a single point? Okay, because current will decrease, current will increase, current and voltage both will increase, voltage will decrease while current will increase. See, in this case, it is not advisable to draw current for many appliances from a single point because voltage will decrease whereas current will increase. Okay, this is the main reason. इस वजह से हमें अलग-अलग points में उसको use करना चाहिए. We should not use from a single point. Okay. Next question. Rickets is caused due to a deficiency of vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin C, and low intake of proteins. So, see, rickets are caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, so the answer is B. Next question, identical twins are born when two sperm fertilizes one ovum, two sperm fertilizes two ovum simultaneously, one sperm fertilizes the ovum and zygote divided into two, a separate cell developing independently, one sperm fertilizes two ovums. So what happens in identical twins are born when one sperm fertilizes the ovum and zygote divided into two separate cells developing independently. Okay, it can be three also. जैसे आपको 2-3 बच्चे पैदा होते हैं. So this is the main reason of happening. Okay, so it fertilizes one ovum, but if zygote will divide into two, then there will be two twins. If there will be it will divide into three, so there will be three kids, and all two or three will develop independently. Okay. Next, conception generally take place at a time of menses, before menses, immediately after the menses, 2 weeks after menses. Okay, so conception generally take place at a time of 2 weeks after menses. Okay, so this is the most fertile weeks after 2 weeks of menses. So I mean, in that period is like conception is easy. Okay, so the answer is D. Next, why mothers feed the child with vitamin A? To prevent rickets, to prevent beriberi, to prevent high blindness, to prevent polio. पोलियो तो नहीं होगा, बेरी भी नहीं होगा. Okay, so this is mother feed child with vitamin A because it prevent night blindness. Answer is C. Next, growing children require comparatively more proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and all of these. Okay, we feel that all of these, but it's not all of these. It is actually A. Proteins is very much required. Okay, for growing children require comparatively more proteins. See, these all are required. These all are actually required, but they're asking about more. Okay, if they're asking what are required, so then we have to go with all of these. But here they're asking about more out of these. So it is actually protein which requires more for the growing children. Okay, so that's why the answer is A. Okay, so this is the end of the part 1 of this 1981 question. We'll see the other parts as well.